back to Learning is Fun. I got another educational video for you all. So let's get going. Now this is a duck. It is having a broad and flat beak and it scoops up muddy water. Holes on the side help to filter out the muddy water and other inedible objects. And ducks have webbed feet, so it helps them to swim. And the toes are joined together with the skin. These are sparrows. Sparrows have short pointed beak, which helps them to pick up and crush the seeds. And now about their feet. Sparrows have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. This helps for a bird to hold on to a tree while perching on it. Now these are eagles. Eagles have strong, sharp, hooked beak for tearing flesh. Now about their feet. Eagles have curved claws called talons. They use their talons to grip and carry animals. So now these are parrots. Parrots have strong curved beak used to crack open nuts and seeds. Now their 2 toes pointed towards front and 2 pointed towards back. And this helps them to climb trees and hold fruits. So in this video we learned about beak and feet of the duck and how it is helping the duck, and about the feet and beak of the sparrow and how it is helping that little bird. Chirp chirp, can you see it? And learned about the beak and feet of the eagle and how it is helping the flesh-eating bird, and about the beak and feet of the parrot. So if you like me, you'll like this video, and if you really like me, you'll subscribe. Thank you all.